Ayan. Hi guys! So, real talk lang tayo. Ayan. Did you know na lahat tayo ay mga tindera? Sounds crazy, but true. Especially kung ikaw ay marunong nang kumita ng pera on your own to the smallest scale. Like, nung bata ako, I used to sell yung mga basyo ng mga pinaggamitan ng suka, mga bote ng suka o ng toyo. Binibenta ko sa tindahan. Papalitan nila ng 50 cents bawat bote. Iipunin ko. Pwede kong gawing baon sa school or pwede kong isave. So, smallest scale, tindera, 'di ba? Binebenta ko yung bote kapalit ng pera. Ganun kasimple. Tapos, pwede rin namang pagka summer vacation, si mama ko, pinapadala niya ako dun sa bahay ng lolo't lola ko. Tapos, sila mga farmers, nakiki-harvest ako ng mga tanim nilang mais o mani. Tapos, iuwi ko yon yung portion ko na makukuha ko from na harvest ko. Then, sasabihin sa akin ni mama, o sige, ipakilo mo, tapos, kunin mo yung pinagbentahan. Again, kapalit ng effort ko, ng pagod ko na naki-harvest kina lola at lola. Pag uwi ko ng bahay, ipapalit ko yon sa bodega, ipapakilo ko, at kapalit nun ay pera. What's the point? Now that I am already old enough to know, nung nag-graduate na ako, the reason why we study, we get a degree, is to get a good job. Right? Bakit natin gusto ng job? To get paid. Bakit tayo nagtatrabaho? To get paid. So in a way, binebenta natin yung sarili natin dun sa company, sa hiring process pa lang. How do you sell yourself? You create a very nice resume, curriculum vitae, that's selling yourself to the company kung saan ka nag-a-apply. Dun pa lang, nagbebenta ka na. Binebenta mo na yung skills mo, yung knowledge mo, yung mga grades mo with your transcript of records, school records. Tapos tatanungin sa'yo ng company mo, what can you offer? Anong meron ka? Why should we hire you? So dun pa lang sa pag-i-introduce mo ng sarili mo, kineflex mo yung mga kakayahan mo, dun pa lang, 'di ba? Alam na natin kung paano mo binenta yung sarili mo, and when you get hired, that's the time it's sold. Done deal, right? So dun pa lang, nagbebenta ka na. So, lume-level up tayo. Then, nandun na yung part na pumapasok ka na sa trabaho mo. That's the biggest pagbebenta. Empleyado ka, may sinusunod kang rules or policy, company policy, binebenta mo oras mo. Binebenta mo oras mo kasi kailangan mong gumising ng maaga dahil may pasok ka. Yung oras na sana ini-spend mo with your family, yung oras na ayaw mo sanang mag-alarm eh. 'Di ba? Kasi ang sarap matulog. Kaso, binebenta mo yung oras mo sa company. May pasok ka. Kailangan mong pumasok bago mag 8 a.m. kasi hindi ka sasahuran or ikakaltas yun sa sahod mo pag hindi ka pumasok sa tamang oras. That's selling. Selling your time. Okay. Then, for example, you have 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. job. Lahat ng ginawa mo sa araw na yon na nakafocus sa trabaho mo, that's how you sell your time. Right? So, ano yung mga sacrifices nun? Ano ang kapalit nun? Yung supposedly nasa bahay ka, nakahiga ka maghapon, o kaya nakasitting pretty ka, nasa harap ka ng TV mo, nanonood ka ng Netflix. Yung panahon na sana pinagluluto mo yung anak mo, yung asawa mo, yung bonding moment nyo sana ng husband mo, nanood sana kayo ng sine, nag-outing sana kayo, lahat ng yon sakripisyo, kapalit ng binenta mong oras sa company mo. I hope I'm making sense. So 5 p.m., you go home. Now, do not oversell yourself to your company. What do I mean? Huwag mong ibuhos lahat ng oras mo, commitment mo, loyalty mo dyan sa trabaho mo. You have a life outside. Think of your family. Think of the things you missed. Think of the things that you should have done with your family. Think of the things that you should have done for yourself. 'Di ba? Alam mo, me time is very important. So do not oversell. Kasi may mga kilala tayo, na sa sobrang paghangad nila ng promotion, level up sa trabaho, anong ginagawa nila? They overstay sa work. Nag-o-overtime sila. Then they overdo things like what you're not supposed to do para sa boss mo, para sa head mo, para sa supervisor mo. They do that. That's called pagsisip-sip. Diba? Maybe for some, they say, yeah, it's okay because boss mo siya, supervisor mo siya. For me personally, I disagree. Kasi if my time requires me sa work until 5, I should be home after 5. 'Di ba? Why? Because I also have a life outside. I also want to sell my time with my family. I also want to trade my time, my talents, my efforts, with my family. Not with other people outside. Kasi yung mga iba naman, iba pa yung trip. Gusto pang makipagbarkada, maglakwatsa, maglamierda, or whatever. I might as well spend my time with my family and for myself para makapag-isip pa ako ng mga ibang bagay, how to sell others other dun sa oras ko. See, i-compute natin. You are given 24 hours in a day. If you have sold your 8 hours to your company because you are employed, how much time do you have left? Simple, 'di ba? 16. So sabihin natin gusto mong you want to get a good sleep. 8 hours, complete sleep. Ilan pa ang natira? You still have 8 hours spare time. So, ang tanong ko, which I would like to end with this questions to you who's listening or watching me right now. How do you want to spend and how do you want to sell your remaining 8 hours in every single day? Would you want to find another source of income so that later on in your life, doblehin mo na ngayon habang bata ka, kumayod, side hustle, para darating ang panahon na you can have all the time for yourself and for your family and for the people you want to be with? Or gusto mo lang i-waste just like that because you think you're very comfortable with your life right now? Or you want to spend more time sa work mo, overtime perhaps, just to prove yourself and you want to be promoted and to scale up with your position? Yeah. Or do you want to use it para mag-search online to level up your skills, your talents, and your capabilities, unlock your potentials so that you can find a better company perhaps, better job perhaps, additional job perhaps, or yun na nga, side hustle. But whatever it is, I hope you use it well. You spend it wisely and you sell yourself well. Yun lang, everyone. Today is Tuesday, so it is a choosing day. Choose to be kind, choose to be happy, and choose to be the best version of yourself. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.